Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AutoCAD account in 2026. If you're new to AutoCAD, you'll first need an Autodesk account to download the software, start a free trial, or access your subscription. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Autodesk website. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign In option, then select Create Account to begin the registration process. Next, enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure you use an email address that you can access because Autodesk will send a verification email. Now review the terms and privacy policy if prompted, then click Create Account or Next to continue. Next, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Autodesk. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Autodesk website and sign in using your new email address and password. Now you can access Autodesk services, download AutoCAD, manage your subscription, start a free trial if available, or verify your student status for educational access. Finally, complete your account profile if needed and keep your login information secure so you can easily access your Autodesk account in the future. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an AutoCAD account step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.